Struggling to keep your business finances organized? Juggling multiple bank accounts at different institutions just to separate your expenses, payroll, and savings? There's a better way. Today, we're talking about how to open a Relay business bank account online. This isn't just another bank account, it's a financial command center designed for business owners who want clarity and control. Here's the thing, traditional banking wasn't built for modern businesses. But Relay is different. It's an online financial technology company that gives you up to 20 individual checking accounts under one business name, each with its own unique account number. This is a game changer for implementing strategies like the popular Profit First method, or just simply keeping your books clean. So, how do you get started? It's a fast and secure online process. You'll need a few key documents ready to go. First, your business information. That means your employer identification number, or EIN, and your business formation documents, like your articles of incorporation for a corporation or articles of organization for an LLC. Next, you'll need to verify your identity as the business owner. This includes your social security number and a valid, government-issued photo ID. Relay is a U.S.-based service, so you'll also need a U.S. physical address for your business and a U.S. phone number. Once you have that information ready, the application takes just a few minutes. You'll go to the Relay website, enter your email, and follow the simple on-screen instructions. You'll provide your business and personal details, then upload the required documents. Relay's system is built for a smooth, digital experience, and most applications are reviewed within 1 to 2 business days. After your account is approved, you can immediately start using it to manage your money. You can issue up to 50 physical or virtual debit cards for your team members, each with its own spending limits. Plus, Relay seamlessly integrates with top accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, making bookkeeping a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.